Araphase Q4 4K Dashcam front and rear, a reliable companion for safer drives. As someone who values safety and convenience, I believe the Araphase Q4 4K Dashcam front and rear is a game changer. With its dual 4K front and 1080p rear cameras, this dashcam ensures unmatched video quality. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets or cruising down a dimly lit highway, the Q4 captures every detail, from license plates to road signs, with exceptional clarity. The discreet, compact design is another highlight. It mounts behind the rear-view mirror without obstructing your view. Installation is hassle-free, thanks to the included mounting tools and adhesive pads, making it ideal for first-time users. The built-in Wi-Fi and app integration lets you manage footage effortlessly. Whether you're sharing highlights of a road trip or reviewing an incident, the app simplifies it all. The 24-hour parking mode offers round-the-clock security, detecting collisions or motion when your car is parked, requires a separate hardwire kit. Night vision capabilities are stellar, with the GCCMO sensor and WDR technology ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions. The G sensor locks crucial clips during impacts, and loop recording ensures seamless operation by overwriting older files. Plus, the package includes a free 64GB memory card, with support for up to 256GB cards. Pros: stunning 4K plus 1080p video quality. Easy-to-use app and seamless Wi-Fi connectivity. Compact design and straightforward installation. Excellent night vision and 24-hour parking mode. Free 64GB memory card included. Cons: parking mode requires an additional hardwire kit. Limited customer support options. In conclusion, the Araphase Q4 is a feature-packed dashcam that enhances road safety and offers excellent value for money. For anyone seeking peace of mind while driving, this dashcam is a worthy investment. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.